It's in. Good morning. On this cold but beautiful day. It's just I don't want to sit inside. I want to do something, but I don't really know what. I'll see if I can explain. I want to start with insulating and then the foil and the paneling of the ceiling. But before I can start, I have to run some electrical wires, because otherwise I can't get to it anymore. They don't have to be connected, they just have to be in place. So I think I'm going to run them through here, front to back, and then on the roof I want a few lamps, and then I'll make them come off there and down. Thing is, you have that beautiful ribbed protective stuff for around cables. Can't find it anywhere. They have it here, seen it, but I don't know where to get it. Ken thought maybe garden hose would do. That's not a bad idea at all. I think I have just what we need. I just have to see if it fits and how I'm going to put that in. So let's see if I have enough. Should be out in the back there somewhere.
You see, I go with the wind, the blazes up and I keep them within, holding on to a feeling so strong.
I think it's too old, Timo. See? It just breaks. Too old, too brittle. That won't work. I think that's not going to work. It's too old. Been laying in this weather for years and it's all brittle. And the good hoses I'm not going to use, they're too wide. You want to play, huh? You want to play, huh? Yeah. Los! Los! Get some wire, get some schedules, and get going. Somebody gave me all this wire. Beautiful stuff. So all I have to figure out now is how many go where. Scary stuff. But I've written it all down. I have a complete schedule for the electricity. This is my 12-volt system, and that is my 220-volt system. And I actually draw it myself. Ha-ha! Let's hope I understand enough of it. So I've got 4 lamps. Oh, this has 4 in it. That's nice. That's good for the lamps. This has 4 too. Yes. I'm going to use this, split it up as soon as I take it to the middle. See how that is going to work. Can I go through here? If so, how do you do that? No, not out here. Oh, go in here. So I cut the outside cable off. I'm going to tape it in place now. One will be a reading light and the other one will continue on to be a light by the door. So as soon as you open the door, you touch it, light. That's what we had in mind. So I'm going to tape it up so it stays in place and then think about the next one. I hope this tape is any good. Because it was awful cheap. Do it right, Flip. That is a light and a reading light for by the bed. So I want to give it plenty of space so I can make mistakes later. Alright, I think that works. I've done a light by the door, a light here and a light here, a reading light there. So now I have to see what's next. The kitchen stuff, I think I'll bring that from here as well. So all the electricity runs on this side and just fence off. There's going to be a light there and some plugs. I need coffee. I need to warm up. Sorry. Oh, maar jij bent lekker warm. Lekker warm koffie. So what do we have? Ah, yeah. Oh boy. Kitchen area. Water pump. A USB. And one of these cigarette lighters connections. It's kind of weird to speak English and write Dutch. And there is a light. What else? I have that sensor that I want to install. That needs a wire as well. It came in the package. Sensor. How do you call that? Reverse light? Bumper sensor? I don't know. Water pump. Light. USB. Lighter connection. What else did I have? I just have to put this one there and then I have enough.
I am strong, I am finally where I belong. On my own, I am made it a long way from home. On my own, I can do anything.
Got this stuff and I think that can shove over the edge and will protect. Yeah, that could work. Let's see if I can cut it. Oh, hardy stuff. Ah, got metal in it. Okay. And this has to move over. Like that. No further. That'll do. Yeah. I'm getting there. Oh! Yes! It's in. Kitchen light extra. Links 4. And then I think I have them all. Wow. That would be great. 6 wires going to the kitchen. I've got a light, a light, a light, a light, a reading light. I think the 6-volt system is done. Oh wait, the bumper signal thing. So this is that sensor, bumper sensor kit. This what goes all the way from the back to the front, so that you can see with little lights how close you are. No idea if that works or not, or is handy to have. I'm just going to install it. Does this go on off switch? I guess you just glue it here somewhere, or here, and then you have a wire. How ugly is that? Can I put it in here somewhere? And then bring the wire all the way to the back. That'll never make it to the back. Uh-oh. It won't make it to the front. Oh boy, oh boy. I have to text my specialist and ask him if you need it. I mean, these things are supposed to go beep, 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 beep. Don't need something extra to pay my attention to. Let's see what he says. Okay, let's wait for answer. Okay, it has to go in. So I'll just see how far we get, and wherever we end, that's where we glue it to the wall or the ceiling. Alright, we'll do it. Thanks, pal. Alrighty, tidying up the shop.